We're here at Marriott's Canyon Villas in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're staying in a studio unit. Are you planning on maybe booking one of these? Well, you'll want to stick around as we take a walkthrough right after this. Okay, so let's head inside and check it out. Okay, as soon as you step inside the door here, you do have a small kitchenette. So on top the counter here, you just have a coffee maker, some starting coffee supplies, and up here a microwave oven. And let's take a look inside the cabinets here. You do have a full set of dinnerware and glassware, actually for 4 people. That's actually a bit of a plus. A lot of the studios only have enough for 2, and you're constantly washing dishes by hand because all you have here is a sink. No dishwasher in most Marriott studios, and especially this one under the sink here, just where you'll find trash and recycling. And it looks like we do have a drawer here with some silverware. And down under here, you have toaster, an ice bucket, and Scrub Daddy. Love those Scrub Daddies. And some dishwashing detergent. Then over here, we do have actually a really good sized refrigerator. So kind of an apartment style refrigerator instead of the usual bar sized refrigerators. No ice maker though, but they do give you some ice trays. So that's a bit of a plus. You can at least make your own ice. And then below the freezer, you do have a small refrigerator. So actually really do like this more apartment style refrigerator in the studios. So that is the small kitchenette. Right across from that, we're going to come into the bathroom. So you do here have just a tub with a shower. So no walk-in shower or anything like that. Then you have the toilet, and over here a single vanity with a nice bright lighted mirror. We're actually in a corner unit, so I believe that is why we have this window here. It is kind of frosted, so nobody can see in, but we're on the top floor too, so that wouldn't matter either. They do give you some toiletries and some towels down there as well. There's probably some extras in here too. Nope, just some extra paper supplies, paper products. But you do have a couple of towels here, and it looks like maybe a couple more over here. I was kind of worried for a second. There was only 2 bath towels, but nope, there is 4. And as we close this door here, you will see the full-length mirror. Now as we move into the main living area, you have a couple of nightstands. These lamps look like they have some plug-ins and some USB ports. Alarm clock, king-size bed here. So that is pretty nice. Over here across from that, a small closet sweeper. You have a iron and ironing board, some extra bedding, and the in-room safe. So just going in here a little bit further, since we're only in the studio, this is the door to the lock-off. So if you had the full 2-bedroom, you'd be able to open that up and move over to the 1-bedroom. So there's that bed again, another nightstand. Kind of an interesting pattern to the sofa here. It does pull out into a queen-size sleeper sofa. And then here, kind of an interesting coffee table as well. And just across from that, just a small dining set here for 2 with a nice big mirror. Now we do have a big patio door here that goes out to the patio. We'll take a look at that here in just a moment. We'll pan around here. One more look at the studio villa inside. And there is also a ceiling fan. And I did almost forget to point out the large flat screen television atop a small chest of drawers there. So really nice TV kind of in between the bed and the sofa. But let's head outside and take a look at the patio. It does have a screen on it, so that's nice, but we won't be keeping the patio door open. But out here you do have a table and 2 chairs. We're on the top floor, so unfortunately that means it isn't fully covered. Just kind of has this lattice work out here, but it's okay. We won't be spending too much time on the patio. And we actually have a view out to the golf course here. Let's take a look out here. Just beyond these trees, you can see the golf course. And then over here, it's kind of a little recreation area. Have a set of grills down there. There is shuffleboard. There's a really nice seating area up there as well. Ping pong tables. So we have a nice view of this little kind of recreation area, seating area, and grilling area. So I'm sure if we come out here at night, we'll smell some people cooking up some great meals on the grill. One other thing I do want to mention, because some people, this is pretty important, is there is an electrical outlet out here on the patio as well. Okay, so there you have it, the studio room tour here at Marriott's Canyon Villas in Phoenix, Arizona. Kind of curious, what do you think? Is it something you would stay in? We actually got this for free, essentially. And if you want to kind of find out how we were able to stay here for free for 6 nights in a studio, well, I have actually made a course called MVC Made Easy to tell you everything I know all about Marriott Vacation Club timeshare. Tips, tricks, strategies, all kinds of things you can use to get more out of your Marriott Vacation Club timeshare ownership. If you want to find out more about that, I will put a link down in the first pinned comment down below. But otherwise, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with these videos. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video from here at Marriott's Canyon Villas, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They think you'll like that video down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.